There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a
1, 2. Mic 1. Hi guys, you're welcome and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and of course subscribe if you haven't, because if you haven't subscribed and you're watching me, I don't know why you're watching me. So subscribe. And today is the 9th of February 2026 and I'm at work. So let's just go through the day. I'm having some yogurt. But yeah, let's go through the day and see what the day has for us. I'm trying to edit a YouTube video and put it out today. If I can't put it out today, I'll put it out tomorrow. But let's see how the day goes. So we just got back from the market and I'm about to give you guys a haul of everything we got. So let's get into the haul. We got we got this much, we got this much plantain, this shito containers that come with the cover, water leaves, toothpick, some sausages, sadia sausage, some beans as well. This kelewele mix, 2 of it, of onga, combination of spices. It has rosemary. Oh, it even has garlic. It has rosemary. It has bay leaves. It has garlic. So just a few spices to cook with. So yeah, that's everything we got at the market. I might show you guys the cooking process or not. So yeah, see you guys later. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's literally raining. Like it is literally raining cats and dogs. Okay, it's not cats and dogs, but it's raining a little bit. Like I waited for a really long time because it was raining really heavy, and we came out thinking the rain has stopped, and it's still pretty much raining. But it's getting to 10 o'clock, and I cannot be sitting in the office till like, what if it stops at 12? Like there's sometimes the rain falls till like 12 a.m. and stuff like that. So will I be sitting there till 12 a.m.? Nope. So yeah, I'm going. Anywho, I am going home to my humble abode. This is the time when these drivers be splashing water and things. We in the hood, baby. You guys. I need a car, you guys. I need an automobile. Let's see. Hold on. on a normal day, I will not have like the confidence to hold my phone out in the at this time of the night like this. But do thieves still in the rain? Do they? I don't think so. I don't think so. Like, why are you making noise with your car? Hey, you guys cannot. I think you guys can't see my face well. Cause whatever. Like, it's literally pitch black. So I'll see you guys in the humble abode. I'm sure, like, wow, the street is so quiet. Like, literally so quiet. You people cannot even see my face. Bye, guys. We are in the humble abode. I've arrived at home, guys, and this is the reason why I didn't want to walk in the rain, because of my hair, and it's itching. It's very itchy right now. Sorry. It's very itchy. But like, I don't think this rain is going to stop anytime soon. Thunder. Yeah. So I'll see you guys. My hair is so itchy, it's crazy. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Be so kind to give us another wonderful performance.
No Ghana, no chocolate. No Ghana, no chocolate. Golden tree.
Hello? Just talking to my
Hello, mic 1 2 1 2. Mic 1 2 1 2. Black and white ink. Confirm for the different mixing of cultures. We live in shawarma. So I'm recording for my first shoot of the day. I still have my mic on. I just need to get some wipe because my face is so oily in the video, so I want to just wipe it down a bit. So yeah, this week I've not really been in my content creation bag like that. I've not really been doing well. Like, I did not post as consistently as I normally do. But yeah, I'm about to edit the YouTube video before this and post that. So I guess we're going to have just one video for this week. What do you guys think about my lip combo though? It's something that I just started doing long ago, but this is the full fit. I'll show you guys properly later. Let's turn on the light. I'll show you guys properly later. That's if I don't forget. Yeah, very cutesy, very demure. I'm wearing this top that we got from Accra. I'll see you. So I just finished my first shoot. I'm left with my second round of shooting, and then I'll be done with shooting for the day, and then we'll write some stories And now it's time to focus on content for you guys. So I'm about to have some rice, shito and egg. It's currently in the microwave. I'm heating it up so that I can eat that. And nowadays I just take food right from the fridge. I don't even heat it or anything. I just take food from the fridge and bring it here. The day the microwave will not come on, that's when I'll see my So yeah, I'm about to eat rice and shito. The shito is from Purple Eyes Pastries. Order yours now. We have this one. This size is going for 60 Ghana cedis, and then the size that comes, we're fitting some by the way. The size that comes after this size goes for 50 Ghana cedis, and yeah, there's a smaller one. So depending on what you want, you can contact them. And trust me, you will not regret your purchase. Yeah, my food is ready, so I'll see you guys later. The food is so hot. It is steaming hot. I usually do 5 minutes. I usually do 5 minutes to heat my food, but I think like could 3 minutes work? I don't know. But yeah. Let me show you guys the food. So this is it. The pepper has mixed with the rice because I poured it out of a bowl, and I'm having that with an egg. Look at the steam. Look at how hot it is. Like it is literally steaming hot. Yeah, so I'm about to eat and au revoir. So we just finished with the Hits Campus Connect show on Hits FM, and yeah, we're about to get ready to go. So yeah, that's basically. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this point. If you made it this far, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. And I will see you guys in my next one.